Hey everyone, it's Julie. Hope everyone's having a great day today. Today I will be making a strawberry pina colada. You'll need 2 cups of coconut water, half a cup of coconut cream, 2 cups of strawberries, and 2 cups of pineapple. Frozen fruit is better if you want it really cold, so freeze your fruit ahead of time if you want it ice cold. Don't forget to subscribe, like it, share it, comment, love it. In a blender, add your coconut water, coconut cream, strawberries, and pineapple. Blend until smooth. If the strawberry pina colada is too thick or sweet, please feel free to add more coconut water.